Today we are going to be making chicken stew, so let's get started. See you in a bit. Chicken stew, we're going to need a couple of large serving spoons of roux, about a cup of bell peppers, a cup of celery, a medium diced onions, 4 pounds of diced chicken thighs, a large can of diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, a can of chilies and tomatoes, i.e. rotel, some garlic powder, and some cayenne. So what we're going to need to do is get us a large pot, and we're going to heat up 3 quarts of water to boiling. So let's get the water started, and then we'll get to cooking. So our water is boiling, so we are going to add our roux. And then we're going to get our whisk, make sure it gets all incorporated. And we're going to turn this down to about a medium heat. And we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes so the roux can become incorporated into the water and cook down, otherwise you will have a grainy taste to your stew. So once we get this going, we're going to let this go for, like I said, about 30 minutes, and then we're going to start adding in our other vegetables. So back shortly. So it's been going for about 20 minutes. So now we are going to add in our onions. And our bell pepper and celery. Try not to burn myself this time. And for my celery and bell pepper, what I tend to do, I tend to chop those and freeze them up. I tend to get those when they're on sale. So we're going to stir that up. And we're going to let this cook for about another 20-30 minutes till the vegetables become tender. So back in a little bit. Okay, so this has been going for about 20 minutes. Now we are going to add in our large can of diced tomatoes, our can of tomatoes and chilies, i.e. rotel. Give that a mix. And then we're going to also add in our tomato paste. Tomato sauce. Alright, so we're going to let this go and cook for about another 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, so this has been going for about a good 15-20 minutes, and now we're going to start seasoning up. We're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. And we're going to give that a good mix. And then we're going to taste. And we're going to add in a couple of pinches of salt, and we're going to let this continue to cook down, and then we'll check the flavor a little bit later. Alright, so this has been going another good 20 minutes, and let's give this a quick taste and make sure that the seasoning is good. Perfect. So now we're going to add in our 4 pounds of chicken thighs. Now remember, when working with raw meat, remember you need to wash your hands before and after because we don't want to catch anything. So let's get this all added in here. Add it in small batches so that way you don't end up splattering the stew and then you get burned. So give it a quick wash. Now we're going to give this a quick stir. And as you can hear, I've got my rice going in the background. So we are going to put the lid on this and let this cook for another good 30 minutes. And then we'll check it and see how it is. So be back in a little bit. All right, so we're all set up for lunch, served with a bit of rice. You can eat this also with a side of potato salad or garlic bread. So hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, give it a like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions or comments, leave them below. And until next time, enjoy.